When we're shooting a video, there are times we need to change the resolution ratio. In the past, the only way to do this is by cutting off parts of the video. But thanks to AI technology, we can now achieve this without cropping. In this video, we'll show you how to get this done easily. So if you are into this topic, just keep watching. In this tutorial, we'll be using Dall-E AI. This amazing tool can help us create new images based on the existing ones. However, there are some limitations. This method only works for videos with static backgrounds, such as those shots with a tripod. So, how does it work? First, we take a snapshot of the initial frame of the video. Then, using Dall-E, we create a new background for the snapshot image. Finally, we merge this fresh background back into the video. Firstly, let's open VideoProc Flagger and create a new project. Choose the resolution based on the video, such as 1080p, and click Done. Next, import the original video clip onto the overlay track. Fit its size to the screen. Give it caution, we should select Height over here. Once that's done, make sure we are at the first frame on the timeline. Click here to take a screenshot of this frame. Once we have the snapshot image of the first frame, we can open Dall-E. Next, let's open the browser. Go to the following website to access the Dall-E page. If you haven't used it before, you can click here to register for an account. You'll then be navigated to this page. Click here to upload the snapshot image. On the pop-up new page, select Skip Cropping. Finally, click the check mark icon over here. Now we can really start today's creation. Let's head over to the toolbar section located at the bottom of the screen. Select the eraser tool and start erasing the black area that we want to remove. Once that's done, let's move to the Edit tab located in the upper section. Describe the background we desire. Click on Generate and give it a moment to process. The AI will generate 4 images for us. If none of them suit our preferences, simply click Generate again until we find the one we like. Once we're satisfied, click Accept. However, it's important to note that sometimes the generated box may not cover the area we need entirely. In such cases, we should adjust the box downward and click Generate again to complete the image. Once both sides are generated, click here to download the image. Go back to VideoProc Flagger. Import the image generated by Dall-E into the media library. Add it to the video track. Adjust its duration. Now we've made the effect we want. This technique can also be used for dealing with parts of the video that you don't want others to see, such as a messy room. With Dall-E, we can erase those unwanted areas and generate a new image to replace them. Well, this is all for today's video. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Flagger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!